Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Audi A4 Avant, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. This is an Audi A4 Avant 2-litre TDI Black Edition S-Tronic Quattro. It's 2014 on a 63 plate, has done 51,371 miles. Fuel economy, urban 43.5 miles per gallon. Extra urban 57.6 miles per gallon, combined 51.4 miles per gallon. 0 to 60 time of 8 seconds, top speed of 135 miles per hour out of 175 brake horsepower, 4-cylinder 16 valve engine. Okay, so the typical Audi key there, foot on the brake, vehicle just starts as soon as you put the key in. Just see, we've got, where is it? Height and reach adjustable steering wheel. And off we go. Bluetooth hands-free. It's got Bluetooth audio streaming as well. So it's got the Audi MMI system, which isn't standard on everything, and is also it's an extra from new. Front and rear parking sensors. You'll have heard the doors all lock then when I set off. It's the Quattro, really nice to drive. It's got the 5-spoke rotor wheels on, and they are grey with lighter silver, so contrast again. Roof bars, rear privacy glass. In here we've got the sat-nav screen, click that. So those are your buttons: radio, media, nav, telephone. That's telephone there. Back to nav. We can switch media on, just turn media on and then turn it up. If this is what's real, if this is what's true. So Bang & Olufsen speakers as well. It's really good to listen to music in this car. Steering's absolutely fantastic. Nice diesel engine, loads of pull. Nice acceleration, good fuel economy, well finished. It's got the S-Line embossed seats here. Well, it's got S-Line everywhere. S-Line scuff panels on the sills, S-Line badges on the front wings, on the steering wheel here. Really nice. Leather kind of bolsters on the outside with material center panels. Well, apart from writing them a letter, I don't know what else I could do. The way these Quattros go around roundabouts are just fabulous. Nice display on the dash in the centre there. You've got coolant temperature on the far left, rev counter, information display in the centre, Speedo, and then fuel gauge. The centre in the moment there, it's telling me what's playing on the through the media system, and that goes on to phone. Skoda Citigo. Let's Burning and Murkoff. So there you go. It's also got the digital Speedo display there. I'm always unsure when we come around here because people try to get in the outside lane and then veer off left. But nope, she knows where she's going, that's okay. Plenty of space in the back, rear load cover, split folding rear seats. It's also a power open close tailgate. I've not been able to film the walk around the outside. At this moment in time, if it stops raining, I might do it the other way around. But it was, as soon as I got my camera out, it started lashing down. Yesterday at this time it was about 34 degrees, and today it's cloudy, cold and raining. I'm just going to actually do a fly past on the motorway, because yesterday again it was solid with traffic. Don't want to get stuck on the motorway for 5 hours. Paddle shift as well on the steering wheel. Change up on the right hand side and down on the left. Just under here, just under the quarter to 3 position, you've got cruise control. Switch on in the end there, click upwards, that sets the speed. I really want to get to 70, but we'll just see if I can go up the outside here and accelerate using the cruise control stalk. 67, there you go, at 70. Oops, gone too far. Better knock that off. Don't be watching out this camera. So we'll set it again. Oh my word. I knew it was too good to be true. As soon as I saw the bikes on the roof of a car, I should have gone the other way. Everybody going to the Lake District. So I don't think I'm going to get up to 70 here to tell you how many. Oh, what? What the f was that? He would have wiped us out then. That reminds me of a story when supposedly a local firm sold one of the new Mercedes Heimermobiles, and guy was in a hurry, couldn't be bothered waiting for instructions and the salesman to show him how to work it. So he sets off, and halfway back home he decides to put the cruise control on and go in the back to make a cup of tea. That's probably what that guy was doing. I'm going to report him when I get back, or when I edit this film, because he could have just wiped out. Well, if I hadn't moved then, he'd have just run into the back. So that was a close one. There's an ambulance coming up now behind. Anyway, Numbskull roundabout. I have to stop coming this way. It's just where people come to crash. definitely. Back to the car. So your controls for your audio system are all here. You can also, if you knock the gear selector across there, you can change up and down like so. But the automatic gearbox in here is absolutely fantastic. Just no problems with it. I think we may have, if I turn the lights on as well and squirt, I think we've got headlamp wash white, but I'm not sure. You can never tell these days because where there used to be different bumpers, now they sorry, just watching that camper van. Where there used to be different bumpers, now they tend to put the same bumpers on with the headlamp wash cutouts, but they don't actually work. That's FJ13 DNF. And that's BX14 HJF. Getting back to that camper van on the motorway, that's why you should always leave plenty of room in front of you, even when you're in a traffic jam, just in case something like that happens. At least you've got somewhere to move. I think if I hadn't had space to move then, I think now you'd probably have been watching a video of me dying. All in a day's work as a car salesman. So I'll pull over in a short while, show you how to set the sat nav, how to delete a mobile, how to pair a mobile, and how to stream audio. But as usual, lovely car. And before I came out, we always check the prices of our vehicles, make sure we're offering the best value. And I went back on the history of this vehicle, and this vehicle, as I keep saying, people thinking the motor trade are perhaps struggling. The used car section aren't struggling. The new car section maybe. I can't speak for them because I don't sell new cars anymore. But the used car, trying to buy cars at the moment, good cars, is so difficult. And this car books the same today as it did this time 12 months ago. So if anything, cars have gone up. Anyway, I'll finish the test drive there. Just remind you, please like and subscribe if the video's been of any use to you. These videos are predominantly for us to sell cars, but they stay on the internet, and we've got 14,000 subscribers, nearly 17 million views, 500,000 views a month at the moment, the way it's going. We also have a web shop, a web store, an Amazon site, which, you know, if you buy anything using one of our links, we'll get a small commission, but it won't cost you any more. And we try and do the, you know, look for the deals, the best deals. We just put a watch page on, so we've got all Rolex, Hublot, Patek Philippe, Cartier, links to all those things. So again, thanks for watching. You didn't see me get killed in today's video, God knows how. And then and all those people who say you're always moaning about other cars and other motorists, well, just watch that and you perhaps understand why. Thanks for watching.